my name is Salis Masrur Ahmad. Today I will be presenting about VTP. What is VTP? VTP or VLAN Trunking Protocol is a Cisco protocol that automatically distributes and synchronizes VLAN information among switches in the same network, making VLAN management easier and more efficient. Next is VTP function. Function of VTP. The first is automatically distributes VLAN information to all switches in the network. Second is synchronizes VLAN configuration to maintain consistency across switch. The third is reduce manual configuration, saving time and minimizing errors. In summary, VTP simplifies VLAN management in network with multiple switches. The next is VTP modes. VTP has three operating modes. The first is server mode. Server mode can create, modify, and delete VLAN and distribute VLAN information to other switch. The second is client mode. Client mode receive VLAN information from a VTP server but cannot create or modify VLANs. The third is transparent mode. Transparent mode does not participate in VLAN synchronization but forwards VTP advertisement to other switch. The next is how VTP works. The first, a VLAN is created or modified on the VTP server. The second is the server sends VLAN information to other switch through trunk links. The third is VTP client receive and update their VLAN database automatically. The next is advantage of VTP. Simplifies VLAN management across multiple switches and reduces manual configuration and saves time. That ensures consistent VLAN configuration throughout the network. And the last slide, disadvantage of VTP. A configuration error can affect all switches in the VTP domain. It requires careful management of VTP revision numbers and limited to Cisco device and might not be suitable for multi-vendor networks. Okay, that was the explanation of VTP. Now let's move on the configuration process in Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, now we are in a Cisco Packet Tracer. Here we will add 4 switch and connect them to each other. First, second, and third, fourth. We have 4 switch and then use automatically for connect all of switch. Okay. After that, we will configure each switch port to trunk mode. For switch, we go to the command line interface and then enter, enable configuration terminal, then we go to the command or using command interface FA 0/1, enter, then using command switch port mode trunk. Okay, for next switch we use the same command. In the first switch, enable configure terminal and then interface range fastnet 0/1 to the 2, enter, then switch port mode trunk, enter. Next switch, the same command, enable configure terminal and then interface range 0/1 to the 2, enter, switch port mode trunk. Okay, for the last switch, same, use command enable configure terminal interface 0/1, enter, and then switch port mode trunk, enter. Okay. After completing the trunk configuration, we will proceed to change the mode of each switch. Okay, for switch, we use VTP mode server, enter, and then for the and then we add some domain, VTP domain, and this we use lab, enter. Okay, for the next switch we use VTP mode transparent, enter, and then we use VLAN domain. We use VTP domain the same in the first switch. Okay, VTP mode VTP domain web, and then repeat the same command for the last switch. X and VTP mode we use client for last the two switch. Okay, and then add domain lab for the last. We same use command X and VTP mode client, then add domain, enter. Then we done for the change the mode of switch. Then we add some VLAN in the first switch because the first switch is server mode. Okay, go to the VLAN 100 and then name is VLAN 100. Name 100, and we add VLAN 200, name 200, and then VLAN 200, enter, and name 100. Okay, we can I want to try to see the VLAN is work or not. Okay, use command do show VLAN brief. Okay, it's work, and then we see in the switch in the use client mode. Okay, we use to show VLAN brief. Okay, the client mode have information in the server because in VTP server the switch server can give information for switch in the mode client. Okay, and then we done for the configure VTP. Thank you for the watching.